Alright, so I got the tank put in. I haven't strapped it down yet, but all the lines ran. Got the sending unit ran. Still working on some other little odds and ends. I started fiberglass again yesterday, putting this back plate. Alright, so all I'm doing now is just cutting out little sections of the fiberglass, and then I'll mix up some resin. We'll start tying some of this in. Not that it's really hard work. It takes a little while.
Hey, this is Carrie Underwood. Hey, Kane Brown here. We are South Florida's original country.
Helps if you got a helper, but the guy paid. I'm just gonna mix this a little heavy. It's really, really hot out right now. It's 102 degrees here in Miami. So this is my hardener here. I cheat a little bit. I take the old drill bit, put zip ties on it, cut it to size. It seems to work really, really well. Don't be shy with the hardener. If you don't have enough, it won't mix right. And that son of a gun is on number 2. On number 1. So all I'm going to do here is just, for the most part, drench this stuff. And being careful not to spill my mixture there. Now I've already packed all these holes with fiberglass resin and what's called Gorilla Fiber. It's basically just chopped up pieces of fiberglass. But they sell it and it's freaking expensive. And it helps to just pack it down in there.
Not the best job in the world, but it is a job. It helps pay the bills. I'm just gonna lay this everywhere pretty thick, making sure there's no air bubbles. Air bubbles mean there's no resin in there, no resin in there will weaken your hold. Same stuff. Now do a little bit past the area that we're gonna do. Just to ensure I get a good bond. You don't want to be driving your boat. She's trying to get a crack in and things come apart. So that little extra material ain't gonna hurt nothing, ain't gonna hurt nobody. If you're that concerned about weight and stuff like that, you shouldn't have a boat. Boats wear time. A boat stands for bust out another 1,000. They will always break on you. It's always gonna be a repair to do. And they are costly repairs. This is a job anybody can tackle by themselves. No problem. Use some basic knowledge. Hell, YouTube helps a lot of people. If you want to do this job by yourself, try it. I just recommend doing some research so you know exactly what you're getting into. So I'm trying to fill this in as best I can. Now I got a bunch of extra, but all that stuff is going to help bond. Fill this junk in.